Hi everyone, my name is Randy Peterson. I am currently a student on campus at BYU Idaho. I'm studying business management with an emphasis in entrepreneurship. I have been married for 2.5 years to my beautiful wife Nasa. We have a baby boy coming this May and we're really excited about it. This will be my last semester on campus at BYU Idaho. I actually graduate. In the summer, I have an internship with a local paint company here. They're going to make me the boss. And with that, I'll have my bachelor's degree. My plans after I graduate are to continue working for the paint company for a few years and then eventually go into the franchising world. I have plans to open the Little Caesars Pizza in a few years, which is really exciting and I think will be a lot of fun. I've taken this class because it's definitely not a requirement for me. I'll be honest, I did need the extra 3 credits, but I had a lot of choices, and to me, I think sales are really important. I've done sales before, and I think everyone can improve, and everyone's life would be better if they became a better salesman. So that's my goal. I hope this class can teach me a lot, and I hope to be able to learn with a lot of you guys, and hope to hear back from you guys. Have a great semester with you. Thanks.